Welcome everybody to Omnisend's marketing tips series, where in roughly 3 minutes or less each day, I'll give you actionable tips and ways to improve your email and SMS marketing program and help you increase your sales. Yesterday, I spoke about why SMS is an established marketing channel and not one to be overlooked. Today, I want to discuss some types of SMS messages and how they can be used effectively. So while there is no real right or wrong way to use SMS, as long as you apply a little common sense, there are some more common ways you can use them. The first thing to remember is that SMS is a very time-sensitive channel. So when you send an email, the recipient may see it in 1 minute, 1 day, or somewhere in between. When you send a text, study after study shows you that most are read within 3 minutes. Use this to your advantage by communicating time-sensitive promotions and communications through text. Things like flash sales or last chance reminders, these things make perfect sense. You can create exclusivity and anticipation for your text messages by also offering text-only offers. This could be in the form of an SMS-only discount or early access to sales or new product alerts. Things like this will make people want to check your texts. And use SMS to drive contacts to your email. If you have a lot to announce, like multiple Black Friday offers, send an SMS to those signed up for both channels and direct them to your email for full details. For those signed up for your only SMS, you could use the same approach and direct people to sign up for your emails so they never miss a big sale again. As you can see, you have a lot of options with how to use SMS, and there really is no wrong way. Using time-sensitive nature of them to your advantage can really help you increase the engagement of your high-potential channel. So join me tomorrow, where I'm going to talk about SMS inside of automation. So thanks for tuning into this episode of our marketing tips series. Feel free to let me know if you have any questions, and be sure to check out Omnisend and let us prove how we can help you double your conversions. Until next time, happy marketing.